Fast like a cobra.
Go, go, go. The whole thing.
You see, I told you.
Again. Oh my god. My tummy's contracting like that.
The bread that destroyed is very soft. You want me to tankle in the plate? So that they will not wash it anymore.
Where? Let me see. Before. Where's the after? Before. How about the after? Oh my gosh.
I asked the waiter if they want me to help them cleaning that thing.
You asked the man. You asked the manager if they need to grow here. If you do that, our food is ready. Oh my gosh!
I'm trying.
May Facebook ka? Pa-post ka dito sa Facebook.
Can you do that? Let's have a race. We all have our plate. Let's race cleaning the plate. Tongue clean.
Again?
You have a long tongue, you're a frog.
What else? Oh my gosh. Pag nakita ito ni Budang, miss ka ni Budang.
Are you in connection with Budang?
Say hi to Budang.
Hi Budang. I'm Jeff, what's yours?
Talagang in-specify na para kay Budang eh. How about Dong?
What Dong? Hi Dong, I'm Ding. Ding Dong, Ding Dong. I'm full.
Finish me.
We'll get this all after. Why wait ako yung tongue na? Come on. Come.
Hi, hingal ako. Sarap, Jem. Oh, ano na? Tangklin mo na yung Huh? Done. Sitting there, watching you. Guy is watching. Guy is watching. Guy is watching you from a distance.
Magic, magic, you want to see magic, now you see it.
Oh my gosh!
Oh.
Kaninang phone yun?
It's lens.
No, it's my phone. Ano yung nalaglag? Oh, compact ko, my gosh!